right, today we are on our last building block as part of our maintenance management domain within the Maintenance and Reliability Best Practices framework. And our last building block in this domain is CMMS. CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System. This building block also comprises the functionality associated with EAM, or Enterprise Asset Management System. What's the difference between the two? Well, it depends on who you talk to. However, for me, the difference is the ability to handle multiple organizations within a particular company, things like multiple currencies, and to be able to segregate functionality based on those organizations. Whereas a CMMS is usually a single platform for all to use, even if it can handle multiple sites. So what is the CMMS, or the Computerized Maintenance Management System, for? Well, it is not just a filing cabinet. It's not just to document work and tuck it away. The CMMS system is utilized, hopefully, so that you can make good decisions with the data that's coming out of it. And so when you go through the process of selection for the CMMS, you want to know up front, what is the data that I need to make better choices and to improve overall plant availability? And so when we answer those questions, we may say things like, we need failure codes, and I need to be able to track parts, and I need all of those requirements help you in the selection process. And that CMMS system is only going to be about as useful as the data you collect. Sometimes utilization can be an issue. We've got lots of content and videos on utilization. Certainly take a look at some of those things. So from a utilization perspective, we want the data brought in that will help us take that data, analyze that data, and get better in the future. The CMMS system is the electronic means to do just that. It allows us to document what work needs to be done, to prioritize that work and go through the whole planning and scheduling process, execute work in the field, get great feedback, and have the ability to analyze information and continually improve. So the CMMS system in and of itself doesn't make us any better. The data we utilize with it is what makes us better. And so we want to document that information, utilize the data for an analysis or analysis purposes, and continually improve our maintenance operations.